So we've been watching the weather reports and it looks like we're gonna get about 30 inches of snow.
There's a huge winter storm headed for Alaska, and we are right in its path.
Minus 12.
So today we've got to get ready. We have to make sure we have all the fuel and food that we need to make it through this storm.
Bigger than me. I can lift up this.
Join us as we prepare for this blizzard, Alaska style.
Hold that. So we've been watching the weather reports and it looks like we're gonna get about 30 inches of snow over the next day or two. So that means before this hits, and we don't know how long we're stuck here at the cabin, it's time to stock up on some supplies. Make sure we're ready. You grabbing the bottom? Got it?
Our family of 9 lives off-grid in this cabin. We use firewood for our primary heating source, but we do have a backup propane stove that we use for heating. We heat our hot water with propane, and we cook with it. I've noticed recently we're going through a lot more propane, so it'd be good to have more storage.
These tanks are 60-pound tanks, they call them. And one of these lasts us right now about a week and a day or so, just a little bit over a week. So probably at about 10% solar right now. We're not getting very much solar power because it's still pretty dark this time of year. So we get a little bit of solar power, but most of our energy is being run off of our gasoline powered generator.
A few months back, we started a really huge construction project on our cabin. We need some more space, including a big pantry for food storage. We've been working really hard on this project and we're almost ready to put up the walls. So in addition to getting food and fuel today, we also want to get some building supplies. The next thing on our list to get, paint.
Are we gonna do on 3?
Yeah, sure.
Point?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, point. Oh, close.
Those are both of the ones you picked. The only reason I would pick this one, Jack in the Beanstalk, is because in Spanish it's Juan y los frijoles mágicos. So somebody would be like, what's the color of your dish? And I'd be like, it's Juan y los frijoles mágicos.
Frijoles mágicos.
So we had our list, everything we needed to get in town. We loaded up the vehicle and we hit the road.
Our driveway is so bad most of the year. Well, I shouldn't say most of the year. Most of the year we've been here, but this snow is amazing for it. It means we can actually, it's so smooth, there's no holes or ruts. It's great. Smile and wave, boys. That's good, smile.
Smile and stay up for a little while.
There's no garbage pickup where we live, so the first stop was the dump to get rid of some of our trash.
Gotta get the shot.
The ice off it, that didn't help, did it? Yeah, we're gonna like
Ooh, a little bit of snow starting.
the weather is. Yeah.
And this is a whole thing, people on the... Well, it's actually, we weren't supposed to get really any snow today. The reason we came out today was because the weather was pretty clear. It was like a good opening to go out and get some supplies. Tomorrow it's gonna start snowing and it's gonna pick up throughout the next couple days. Just snow, more snow. Eventually, the big day, we're gonna get at least a foot, maybe 2 feet of snow. So we figured we better get out while we can. All right, so before we go and do our shopping, we're gonna get some food because then we won't be cranky shopping. We had a checklist today. We need to see a goat, get a taco. So taco it is.
Why is everyone texting?
Oh yeah, ready? Taco transition. Here we go.
One of our
toaster.
Our bellies were full, and now we could take care of the shopping we needed to do, so we were ready for this blizzard.
All right, you ready? Come on, dear. Saucy lips.
I'm gonna have it.
We're gonna go grab our.
Hey, no, Daddy,
No, we gotta grab a big propane tank.
a lot of dollars.
It is probably a lot of dollars.
He's a big guy. You would never kill him.
What? I got big muscles.
No, you don't.
What?
This is bigger than me. It's bigger than me. I can lift up this. Dun, dun, dun.
What do you want?
A dark green. No, that color.
Yellow and green?
Yeah.
Which one? She's doing it, man. Okay. My turn to drive.
Negative yet?
Oh, is it getting negative? Feeling cold. All right, what do we have left? Did we get bread from? Next stop, post office. So we don't get mail because we're like way out and off grid. We don't get mail to our place. So we get our mail shipped to a post office, and well, we pull up to it.
We still needed to make sure we were stocked up on food. Because our big pantry is not yet built, we don't have a huge store of food at the cabin, so before a big snow event, we want to make sure that we top everything off. Sometimes we take trips to bigger cities and do huge supply runs, but today we were just headed to a smaller town grocery store, and I'm curious to see what you think about these prices. Are these prices normal, or does this seem really expensive? What are you used to paying for these groceries?
Peaches and cream ice cream. Peanut butter, umpqua. Orange juice. Okay, we got our seltzer.
Oh, no, this really.
Seltzer and toilet paper, the essentials.
You could drive.
We can survive the Alaska winter.
Well, no, this really.
We got our food and our fuel, and now it's time to head home and prepare the cabin for this oncoming storm.
have a couple of straps I can.
This is our fridge, which is not plugged in right now, but is still great storage for our dry goods, especially with a very special shipment of grandma boxes today, which the kids are thrilled by. There are snacks for everybody, from baby snacks to kid snacks. Lots of kid snacks. We love getting our grandma boxes. And we store them in our fridge.
Alright, you're rolling, baby.
Go.
This
Get
is
to
my
work,
beautiful
mister.
wife. And if I go work, she will make me a coffee. Stop saying your old husband. Old husband.
Old husband.
I'm hungry.
Being out all day, we had worked up quite an appetite, so Kay made a dinner of fresh pasta, which was good because the pasta could give us the energy we needed for all the work we still had to get done. There was a lot to do at the cabin to prepare for this oncoming storm. We would have to work that night and all the next day to be ready.
Some Alaskan salmon that we caught, some homemade pasta that Kay made. Pretty great.
It's not destined to get it. I haven't had salmon in a while.
So everybody, how's your day? Okay, I am going to show you my latest. So we got Trav, Bob. His name is Bobby. Ortica. Did the sloth. Oh, and this is mine too.
There was still a lot of preparation to do for this storm, but it was getting late, and so I figured I would be all done for the day. That is until I started getting the temperature alerts on my phone.
Minus 12.8. So almost minus 13. It was at minus, well, now we're rising up because we came inside, but it was at minus 16 a few minutes ago. Holy cow. It's cold.
So, despite it being late and dark and me being clearly ready for bed, we got dressed in our warm clothes and headed outside to take care of another important preparation.
All right, let's go. It is minus 12 out, so we're headed out to the solar shed because the batteries will get damaged in this kind of cold. So we're gonna put a heat bulb on overnight just to keep everything a little warmer.
On camera.
Huh?
So we're now clipping in the back rooms on camera.
Just like that. All right, we're gonna put this. That'll work. All right, oh, don't lose it. The heat. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay. Well, we're at -5, which is the danger zone. This should run for the coldest part of the night and keep us good. That'll last through the coldest part of the night, and it should hold the heat, keep our batteries from freezing, because they can be stored at like -4. They're not powered, but much colder than that, you start to risk damaging your batteries. So yeah, not gonna do that. Good. You're okay. It's all right. Look at that. So cool. Hey. It's okay. You're okay. That was exciting. So we woke up to a moose sighting this morning, right in our yard. With Farm Pup did not like that moose, how close that moose was. So he chased that moose off. It's a good thing that he chases the moose off, because I love seeing a moose. I love having a moose right here. And you know, when the kids go running outside to play and stuff, you don't want a moose like right there, because moose don't like little things running by their feet. So it is good. I like seeing them. I like having them close, but not too close. And Farm Pup does the job just right. He spooks them off. He doesn't chase them. You don't want a dog chasing moose. You just want to run them off your immediate zone there. So he does a good job. We still have some work here to do before the storm arrives, and I say before the storm arrives, but it's feeling like it's kind of showing up a little earlier than expected. We got to bring a lot of firewood inside. We got to make sure our battery boxes are all charged up, our battery banks, and clear the little bit of snow that fell overnight, just so we are prepped and ready when the bigger snow arrives. Oh yeah, that started so nice because we preheated it this morning. As you can see, we need that generator because this time of year, we're not getting anything from the solar system. Not because of the snow, we could take the snow off of the solar panels, but because of that, there's just no sun. It's behind the trees, it's cloudy, it's just not dependable this time of year, so it's all generator work. What, honey?
Where am I stacking this?
We're gonna bring it right inside, and nice job, boy. That's a good pile. Uh-oh, don't lose it around the bed. Ooh, nice, close one. All right, we're gonna take all this stuff. We're gonna stack a lot of it inside, and then we'll stack some on the porch. So leave that there for now, and let's see who can bring this. We'll hand it off to people inside. We'll create a chain. Just gonna do this fast. Ready? Let's do it. Pass.
Well, we were as ready as we possibly could be. Now it was time to let the storm hit and see how we did. If this is your first time watching Homesteady, why don't you go back to the beginning of this series of us moving to Alaska? Click here to watch the first video where we purchased our off-grid cabin. Look and see how different it looked when we first purchased it compared to how it looks today.